Where's the red bag?
Red bag.
Say Merry Christmas.
Daddy.
No, this way.
Merry Christmas, Sarai.
Daddy.
Okay, let's open your gift.
Hey, Sarai, you don't want your surprise?
Okay, so open the red bag. Where's the red bag?
Pick it up. Go pick it up. Go pick it up.
Go get the red bag and bring it to me. No, not that red bag. Not that red bag. The one under the tree.
Go pick it up. Bring it to Mommy.
Get the red bag under the tree. Is that red?
Red.
That's not red, but that's okay. Open it up. There you go. Bring her the red bag.
I can't see her. There you go.
Okay,
Now open it up. Open it up.
let's see what you got. Ooh, what you got? Some clothes.
Got the clothes